Today I am going to tell you about transitive and intransitive verb. So what's the transitive and intransitive verb? What's the transitive and intransitive verb? Transitive are the verb. Okay, this is a definition. Transitive, transitive, transitive are the verb which need object, which need object to complete their meaning. So these are called transitive verbs. Transitive are the verbs which need object to complete their meaning. These are called transitive verbs. So what's the intransitive verb? Intransitive verb is a contrary, is the opposite definition and statement. Intransitive are the verbs which no need object to complete their meanings. Intransitive are the verb. Intransitive are the verb which need object, which need no object to complete their meanings. Transitive and intransitive. You know, transitive are the verb which need object to complete their meaning. Intransitive are the verb which need no object their meaning. So what's the object? So we need to, in both statement we did use did emphasize upon one word which is called object, which is called object. So sentence has subject, verb, object. You are familiar about this word object. Every sentence has subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, subject, verb, object. Transitive are the verbs which need object to complete their meaning. So in transitive verb there must be subject, verb, object, and in transitive verb there will be subject and verb. So no need to object. I hope you will understand this statement, understand the definitions about transitive and intransitive verb. Now I am going to tell you about examples of transitive and intransitive verb. What's the in sentences we use transitive and intransitive verb. So far you need to take a screenshot or just note down the definition of transitive and intransitive verb. Now here I am going to write examples of transitive and intransitive verb. Here I am going to write, if I will say he killed. Okay, so he killed, it looks like it's called intransitive verb, but this is called not intransitive verb, this is called transitive verb. You know, this is called transitive verb. But now you are thinking about how can be this sentence is called transitive because there is no object. There is no object. There is just verb. He killed. So he killed. This is called transitive verb because we must use object here. This is incomplete sentence. We must use object here. He killed. If I was just say he killed, so another person definitely will ask what he killed. What he killed. So then I will tell he killed a snake. He killed a snake. So this is complete sentence and this is called transitive verb because we need to use object here. We need to use transitive, need to use object. So snake is called object. Transitive verb need to use object. So snake is called object. Understand? Those verbs which don't need to use any object is called intransitive verb. For example, here I will say he smiled. He smiled. So now you know your turn. You will tell me about he smiled transitive or intransitive verb. He smiled is called transitive or intransitive verb. You know, here is a just simple formula. If in sentence we will ask what, we will ask the question. If a statement tells about a what question, gives the answer of what, then it must be called transitive. If I say he smiled, so there is no need to ask question what. Here we need to ask question what? No. So this is called intransitive verb. So this is called intransitive verb. Understand? Here I am going to write more example. If I will say she said, it's a past tense, so sense is completing here because we don't need to ask question what. So this sentence is called transitive or intransitive? Intransitive. Intransitive. This sentence is called intransitive. This sentence is called intransitive. If I will say I ordered, I ordered, I ordered. So I ordered. So you know, this is a complete sentence. I ordered. We have to ask question what? What you ordered? So it's mean this is called I ordered. This is called transitive verb because we need to ask question what. So in transitive, if I will say I ordered. So I ordered. So is it transitive or intransitive? No, you know your turn. We need to ask question what? Yes. We here need to ask question what? What I ordered. This sentence is not completed here. There is no sense of sentence. I ordered. So what? What you did order? I ordered a dish. I ordered a dish. It's mean this is called transitive. This is called transitive verb. Transitive transitive verb. I ordered a dish. If here I will write she saw. So it's a it's a transitive or intransitive. Here we need to ask question what? She saw what? She saw is called transitive verb because we need to hear she saw a snake. She saw is called transitive verb because we need to hear object. We need to hear object. Object is called snake. Here object is called dish. Object is called dish. Object is called snake. Understand? Now I am going to tell you about one more now here I am going to tell you about one more thing which is very tricky for students. Student can't differentiate between whether this sentence is called transitive or intransitive. So this is a prepositional sentence. For example, if in any sentence we will see a preposition, object is come with preposition, so this is called intransitive verb. Here you need to keep in mind when object is used, when object is used in sentence with preposition, so it is called transitive or intransitive? Intransitive verb. This is very golden rule. This rule is very precious and golden. You need to note down. When object is used in sentence with preposition, so it is called intransitive verb. For example, here I am going to write she was dancing in the garden. So this is called, here students are confused. Student definitely will say this is transitive verb, but no, this is called intransitive verb because object is used with preposition. Here object is used with preposition. So this is called intransitive verb. This is called intransitive verb. If I will say the sun rises in the east. So here in is called preposition, east is called object. So this sentence is called transitive or intransitive? This sentence is called intransitive. Intransitive. I hope you understand what's the definition, what's the meanings, and what's the uses of transitive and intransitive verb. And if you have any confusion, then you can ask questions and I will reply definitely in the comments. And I request you to all please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, uh, I will upload many more videos for you. Inshallah, stay blessed.